Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping It Jazz. My name is Jasmine and I'm so excited that you all decided to click on this video and watch my content. In this video, I'll be bringing you guys a DIY project. I'll be organizing my guest bedroom and I also threw in a little mini grocery haul. I would really appreciate it if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Jasmine and I just left the nail shop. I needed to get my eyebrows done. I need to get my nails done. It's been long overdue. I haven't had my nails done since March and it's just been long overdue. So I gotta put my eyes back on while I'm driving. So I just wanted to pick up the camera and let you all know what I'm about to finna be doing. Can y'all tell my accent where I'm from? But yeah, so I'm just about to head back to the house. I'm leaving the nail shop and about to see what me and the hubby and the kids gonna do. We don't have anything planned because, you know, of course you can't do anything right now. But
Good morning. So I made a Walmart grocery pickup order and this was just like a small grocery haul to just replenish what we already have. And so it wasn't like a huge grocery haul, it was just some things that we were missing. I usually make groceries on Sunday evening when I pick up groceries when I get off work on Sundays. So this is just a replenish into Sunday. So I'm gonna show you all what I got. So I got, these were a substitution. I only ordered 1 pack of bacon. It was a family size, but they gave us 2 packs instead. Sausage, chicken nuggets for James, and he also drinks the Kool-Aid gel. These little beef bolognas are for Genesis. She eats these for her lunches. Biscuits. It's great value. Cookies and cream ice cream is very good. It has a good taste to it. Milk, syrup. These honey buns were also a substitution. I do not get this big pack like this. I usually just get the small pack. But those are snacks for Jays. Cereal, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Chips. These Rice Crisps. They now sell them in little small individual packs like this. So yeah, that was everything. Small, quick grocery haul.
after I put the groceries away, I unloaded the dishwasher and began washing the breakfast dishes from this morning.
I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me.
So you guys, I have been having so much fun creating these videos and doing something that I already love doing and just putting it out here on this platform. And I appreciate everyone who has subscribed to my channel. If you haven't already done so, I would really appreciate it if you can drop down below and hit that subscribe button, because I really enjoy making these videos for you all. I would love it if you all continue to support my channel.
Begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love you. No lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me.
So I painted this table and chairs from IKEA that my mom found at a thrift store for $18. I painted it. this pink color the other day, and now I'm going to cover the seats and the top of the table with this marble contact paper. Let's see how it turns out. So right now I'm just using an old debit card to smooth out the bubbles in the contact paper to make it a smooth surface.
Put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. You should know I'm not like others. You should know I'm not the one. If you trust me with your feelings, I won't make you wanna run. Only in my dreams, only in my dreams. I play fair, I don't make you leave. Oh my God, why is it so hard to love? Only in my head, only in my head. I'm the person I should be instead. Oh my God, I'm too rough around the edges. I'm so unrefined, can't make up my mind. 'Cause I'm too rough around the edges. Steal and cheat and lie, make my lovers cry. 'Cause I'm too rough around the edges. Edges. Too rough, too rough, too rough. Around, around, around. Edges. Edges. Too rough, too rough, too rough. Yeah, I'm too rough around the edges. You should know I'm pretty special. I don't mean in the best way. If you trust me with your heart, I won't make you keep it safe. Only
This is a before shot of how the table looked originally, and this is the after. I love the outcome, and it turned out pretty cute to me. So this might not be the best lighting right now, but I got the bonnet on, so y'all know what that means. It's time to clean. So I'm inside my guest room right now, which also serves as Genesis' room. She don't sleep in here, but all of her clothes in here. And I'm gonna turn the camera around and show y'all all of her clothes. So this guest room, I have clothes. I've been buying her summer clothes because she's growing. So I've been getting summer clothes in. I've been getting packages. So I'm just about to tidy up this guest room, organize her clothes, and put them inside the dressers. This is the bed in the guest room where I got all her clothes that's been coming in and shoes and stuff. And this is the dresser that's in the room. I ordered some drawer. I DIY'd this dresser, by the way. It was black and I painted it white with some chalk paint. So now I just got to switch out the hardware on there, and they haven't came in the mail yet. But yeah, I'm just about to get this room tidy back up. That's her crib right there that she never slept in. That's the cover and sheets and stuff that I wash, and I just threw them over there in the bed. So the bed is already stripped. I'm just finna organize. So I ordered these storage organizers off of Amazon, and I had already got a set of these, but in gray, that's already inside the drawers. So I just ordered an extra pack, and it's a set of 6. It comes with 2 large ones, 2 like long rectangular ones, and then 2 small square ones. So yeah, that's what I'm finna be using to organize her clothes with.
Why is it so hard to love? Only in my head, only in my head. I'm the person I should be instead. Oh my God, I'm too rough around the edges. I'm so unrefined, can't make up my mind. 'Cause I'm
In film footage of me folding and organizing the clothes, but this pile right here is everything that I'm going to give away, stuff that's too small or trash, some items that are stained. But these drawers are hard to pull out without the knobs on there, so if I get the knobs before I post this video, then I'll show you all how I organize inside the drawers, or I'll try to get them open. Let me see. You guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I decided to make my videos a little bit more extra special, so I'm going to be continuing this video in my next video. So if you want to see more and want to see the end result, you got to come back and watch my next video.